In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a neutral color palette for a design system using Figma. Neutral colors can be incredibly versatile and are essential for any effective design system, providing the subtlety needed to complement bold shades or serve as backgrounds and borders. Whether you're building an app design or creating web interfaces, a well-curated neutral palette can set the tone and enhance user experience. Let's dive into the process. First off, we need to make our way to Figma, which is an excellent collaborative design tool. Open your web browser and head over to the Figma website. Once you're there, look for the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't have a Figma account yet, it's super easy to sign up. But assuming you already do, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. This is where you'll see your recent projects and shared files. It's like your dashboard for everything you've been working on. Once you're there, find the design tab in the menu and click on it. This will take you to the area where all the creative magic happens. On the design page, focus on the toolbar at the top. Among the options, you'll see a tool labeled Stroke. Click on that to access some key settings which will help us in establishing new styles and color variables. The stroke tool in Figma is very flexible, allowing you to define borders and outlines which can be further refined with various color settings. Next, navigate to the new style or variable option, which is essential for setting up reusable color styles. When you click on this, a panel will open where you can create a new style. This is where you'll build your neutral palette. Spend some time experimenting with different shades of grey, beige or taupe. Adjust the hue and saturation until you find the right balance that can serve multiple purposes in your design work. Neutrals might not be the star of your palette, but they're absolutely foundational. They provide the right contrast for typography and can effectively guide a user's attention without overpowering other elements. So, while experimenting, keep in mind the various scenarios where these neutrals will be applied, such as text, background fills, and more. And that's it, you've successfully set up a neutral color palette within Figma. Remember, this palette is a crucial element in providing harmony and balance to your overall design system. Feel free to tweak it as your project evolves, ensuring it remains cohesive across different design outputs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.